chicken. Ready? Hold on. Go ahead. Some little bit of chicken. You don't want to put this in? No.
No, they'll get caught in their throat and stuff.
No, it won't.
Yeah, get the apples.
Oatmeal, steak, and
Apples.
A little bit of apples.
Come on, get the apples on film here.
A little bit of apples.
Macintosh. Or no, Washington.
Washington.
Blueberries.
That looks really good.
Blueberries.
A little bit of blueberries.
A little more onion.
Pickle.
A little more mash.
A little cayenne pepper.
That was funny.
Holy crap.
Hey, back the camera up a little so you can actually see what's going on here. We're going to make a documentary on how to...
So
the dog...
I made up the name Magic Bam.
Magic Babam.
Magic Babam.
I made that name up.
Pumpkin? Oh, come on, Brooke. Pumpkin?
Why did you have to go home?
I'm not sure. Pumpkin? More pumpkin? No more pumpkin?
Hey, you want to give me a plate of that dog food?
What's that?
You want me a plate of that dog food?
If you eat this dog food, you'll wake up like Superman.
More pumpkin.
Yeah, Rick, I got gates going up to my house in like a week and a half for a driveway. You want
More
to attempt
pumpkin?
putting in gate operators?
Do what?
I'm going to buy gate operators
More
to automatically open the
pumpkin.
gate.
Alright.
You want to put them in?
What kind of gate?
More pumpkin.
No, not with the cantilever, no. Just regular operators. The Mighty Mules or whatever.
Oh, what?
The Mighty Mule Max, the in-swing, yeah.
I thought we were doing a slide.
More pumpkin.
Now the slide gate you need, it sticks out. If you have the
Apple
slide gate
pie.
going,
Oh, come on.
if you have the slide gate going next to the
Applesauce.
fence part, it'll look all right. But mine's out in the
Applesauce?
middle, it'll stick out in the middle of the open. I can't leave the part because it goes double the width of
More applesauce?
what the gate is
Yeah.
What?
for it to slide on and cantilever or whatever.
More applesauce?
More
Oh,
applesauce.
Vermont apples.
Yeah,
Ah, sounds weird.
All organic.
this is way more.
This is way more. This is the second night in a row, Rick.
And how long is this going to be?
I want
This, we're not sure yet.
4 dogs for like a month and a half.
What's next? Oh, hold on. We need-
It really costs like 7 hours and...
No. There's 7 hours just of shopping.
Dad, can I do it? Please?
Hold on. Now we fortify it with our special high-calorie nutrients. Liquid testosterone and growth hormone.
Is that a bull semen?
Ew,
Yeah.
that looks like poop.
It is poop.
Nuh-uh.
These dogs are going to be showstoppers. I'll tell you what, that's what their shit looks like after they eat it.
Can I do the next one?
What's that?
Here, you film.
You still have?
How many do I have?
2.
2 and Gigi.
Got a good deal on that boat.
Dad, I need to
What do you mean? So did he.
I thought he gave you $1,000 for it or something like that.
What?
What?
Definitely not 1,000. Maybe a couple hundred or something, if that. But I don't think that.
I remember last year, he's like, yeah, he's like, just telling him I wanted probably like, I was gonna get $2,900 for Jen ski. I was like, I'll give it to you for 25. He's like, oh, I'll give you $1,500 in the boat. It's like, nah, I'm cool.
I'm gonna put this high-calorie
That's a
nutrition
good
gel
quote.
for
This
puppies
summer, he's
on.
like, I'll give you $2,500 in the boat. I was like, all right. But really, I wasn't even gonna take it because I ain't got no fucking place to keep it. There's absolutely no room. I'm actually gonna have to probably
Looks like jello.
rent another spot. I got that shop across the street and still
Come on, Brooke. What are you doing? You just got on the outside of the bag, Brooke.
Well, not big
Sorry,
enough.
I said.
Watch.
Brooke, stop! Get out of here now. You had enough.
Well,
Leave.
it's not my fault that he keeps closing the bag. Jeez.
Dude, that one thing will get shit all over the freaking kitchen. Right or wrong?
Right out.
What are you looking at as you squeeze this onto the outside of the bag? Is what I wonder. I mean, not only is it on the outside.
All right. What do we just need? The oil.
Oh, I got one more. That's why no one under the age of 30 is going to hear me. This is dangerous business shit.
No, it's not really.
You get this on your hands, you have no idea what it's going to cost. Tell her, ain't. Tell her what happens.
It burns your skin right off your fingers.
The next one.
This is what the dog's asshole looks like when it's shitting after eating.
I think these plants gonna die with this much water in here.
Be careful, that can bite your nose.
You're supposed to keep it lightly moist. It's drowning in water.
No,
I guess it is. I'm looking at it right now. Look.
it's drowned.
I did notice that, bro.
There's way-
water
Oh,
down.
Yeah, you
I don't
can't.
water
Jesus
that
Christ.
thing.
You can't
I
water
don't
plants
water
like
All right,
this.
where's the salmon oil?
Salmon oil's right here. Are we dumping the whole rest of this in?
You'll die if you water them this much. Just put a little tiny bit
Sure,
of
because we
water.
didn't put it in half in
Yeah,
the
go
other.
for it.
Hold on. I want to video this.
Why? Now we gotta take out stuff in first.
Oh, that big giant hunk. That is at the bottom of the rice.
That's the bottom of the oatmeal.
You guys are insane.
A little more salmon oil.
What do you put in there? Salmonella?
Salmon oil. A little more salmon. A little more. Yep. Top it off. Just a little bit more. A little bit more.
You guys don't even know what you're
A
doing.
little more. Let me see. A little bit more. I think we need a little more. I dumped the rest. That's good. Our dogs are gonna be swimming like scuba diving.
They are going to have the nicest.
All right, now rinse these out. Get the rest out because we need to add a little bit of water.
Okay.
There you go.
Can you video this?
Did you think about putting a double trash bag on that thing?
Yeah, we're going.
You're gonna go lift that bag up and it's gonna be all over the freaking floor.
No, we did this before.
Yeah.
I don't think we need any more.
Should I go back to my house and get a shit shovel?
Here, let me give you a lid. I'm gonna.
Have to shake it up?
Yeah.
No, we don't need any more.
All right. That's good. All right, we're good then. Think that's good?
Oh, we're missing something.
No, we're not.
You sure ain't?
You positive? That's a lot of food.
We need to write, next time we have to write a list to make sure we're not forgetting. We put apples, we put blueberries. Oh, let's double that up.
That's a lot of food.
You guys are insane.
This is the second night in a row, Rick. We were laughing so hard. Moo wasn't laughing. Moo
Yeah, well,
was getting on one of the.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna freeze it?
Yeah.
We did. Look at him, dude. We already have all these bags made.
Watch out.
This is just in my freezer. See, we have them separated like this, and it makes. This is what it looks like. You open that bag up. You have 6 individual.
It's like blood burns.
There's 6 individually packed, so you just open this up, give it to the dog.
Frozen?
No, no.